Hi, honeys. I don't know why I just said that, but whatever. Welcome back to another DIY. So in this video, we're going to be baking some reflective Playboy bunny sneakers. So I got these sneakers from Dollar General, $5. I think they were definitely on sale, so I don't know how much I paid for them. But yeah, you're going to need your scissors, your little mini iron, and I'm going to leave down in the description box below where I got the iron-on patch. This one is a little different. You actually have to peel off the back of it and then place it on there in order to iron it. That was a little different because I never had one like that before. So we're going to be doing the same step as we've done before. But since these are reflective patch, what you're going to need to do is just iron it on first. Leave it, let it cool down. So give it like, just let it cool down like 40 minutes. After it's cooled off, then you can peel it off. You cannot iron it on and then remove it immediately. It's not going to transfer on. It's going to be messy. So with reflective patches, you have to let it cool down before you remove it. So that's so it can transfer on there properly. I think it's because of the heat. Like the heat, there's way too much heat. So when you remove it, nothing removes off of it. So it doesn't transfer onto the shoes. So that's why you have to let it cool down first, and then you can remove it. So that's what I'm doing right here. Just placing it all over the shoes, letting it cool down, ironing them on, and yeah. Make sure you press down on it, rub the iron over it, give it a few little seconds, and you should be good to go. Oh no, not with the reflective patch. You cannot run the iron all over it. You're gonna mess it up, so just press down on it. Let the iron stay on it for like 10 seconds. Let it cool off, and then you can remove it. I forgot. Do not run the iron over it. Yeah, that's a little different. But you guys get the idea. I only got a small amount, so I was like trying to figure out what to do with it. I wanted to do it like all over the shoes, but then I checked. I was like, oh no, I won't have enough for the other shoes. So I was like, I'm gonna just put 2 at the side and then just go over to the other shoes. But yeah, and that's what we're doing. Now we're gonna be repeating the same step to the other pair of shoes. Make sure the iron cover up the patch completely so that it can transfer on there properly. Now with everything, I'm going back over it with the iron one more time before I let it sit and cool off. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And since I was rubbing the iron on this one, it didn't turn out too great. The top part of it, the bunny ears, they were falling off. So just let the iron press down on it before you remove it. First shoes completed. This took way longer than usual, but it's because it's the reflective patch, so you're gonna have to give it a minute. So now it's time to peel off the patches after I let them cool off and everything, and this is what they turn out. Voila! The back did not turn out great like I told you guys before. Was it the back or was it this one? That one did not turn out great. I think I was rubbing the iron over it too much. But yeah, I placed back the little sheet on top of it again, pressed down on it, and then it was good to go. And this is how it looks with my flash on. It's pretty. It's pretty cool. I don't know how I feel about it. I like it, but then again, I hate it for some reason. But thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.